Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Musa Habib Rahman. We are from Group 7 for Administering Database Project. Before we begin, let me introduce to you our team. First is me, my name is Musa Habib Rahman. And second is my partner, Rehan Rizky Aksal. We are from Group 7 with the title Gpsport Database. So with these two major services, we provide, we design 7 tables in this ERD. You can see user is for storing users data which have relation to reservation table. So user can order and have reservation. The reservation took data services. Second services is user can order product, so it can have invoice table which have detailed invoice to contain product and quantity or stock. So in the product we can have also stock data from suppliers. This is the cardinality. So the product can have many suppliers and supplier can have many product. In reservation, one reservation just can be have one fields, and one fields can many reservation. And users can order many reservation, but one reservation just to one users. In invoice, but one invoice just to one users, and users can order many product. Yes, and many product can have many users. About flowchart.
Okay, and this is for the flowchart design of my project database. There is 3 flowchart. The first is flowchart register or login user account, and the second is flowchart payment, and the third flowchart is flowchart shopping or reservation. In the flowchart register or login user account, the first, we are in the landing page. After that, there's a question: do you have an account? And if you have an account, you must log in your account. You inputting in email and password, and is email and password correct? The login is successfully. And if your email or password incorrect, you will inputting email and password again. And if you don't have an account, you must register your account. You will fill the register form. You will fill the email, password, username, and your address. After that, after you fill the register form, the system will sending email verification. If your email verification true, the sign up is successfully. And if your email verification is false, the system will sending email verification again. Okay, and then in the flowchart payment, we are in the payment page. After that, choose payment type. After that, payment, the system will output the payment code. After that, paying process. After that, the seller confirm. If the seller confirm the payment is successful, and after that seller not already confirm the paying, you will check the payment again. And the third flowchart is flowchart shopping or reservation. The first time we in the home page. After that, you must to sign up or sign in your account. There is 2 cases. The first case is store page, and the second page is reservation page. I will explain in the store page first. After that, you choose sign up or sign in an account. After that, you will in the store page. After that, you're choosing item. After you're choosing the item you want to buy, the system will confirm your item. If your item is true, the system will next. And if the item is false, you will choosing an item again. And if confirm item true, the system will ask you a question, shopping more or no. If you choose the shopping more, you will choosing item again. And if you're not shopping more, you will go to the payment. And after that end. And the second case is reservation page. In the reservation page, you must to fill the reservation form. After that, confirm your reservation form like your date, your duration of reservation, your fields, and if the reservation form is true, if the reservation form is false, you will fill the reservation form again. And if your reservation form is true, the system will ask you a question, a reservation more or not. If you choose reservation more, you will fill the reservation form again. And if you don't want to reservation more, you will go to the payment. After that, end. Okay, this is the schematic diagram in my database. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 7 table in this database. There is users, product, invoice, detail invoice, suppliers, reservation, and fields. And the third table in this schematic diagram, this is a view of a database. Okay, the table is related each other, like detail invoice related to product, and invoice related users, and users related reservation, so and like that. This is a views for our database. There is 3 views. The first is product detail, the second is reservation detail, and the third is income product. And maybe I want to give you a views. This is, wait. And next is table design. This is a example for table design. I just put the 3 table design. The first is table users. This is the structure of table design. There's ID for primary key, type data is integer, and after that email for foreign key, for unique data, the type is varchar, and after the password, username and address. After that, created add, updated add, and deleted add. And After that, the supplier table. This is the structure of table. And after the reservation table, there is ID for primary key, there is field ID for foreign key and user ID for foreign key. There's duration, dates, times, created at, updated at, and deleted at. Okay. This is a views for our database. This is income product. There is a date when the income, when the user buying a product. After that, what is the user buying and how much the user buy the product, and after that income. And in this, and after that, the views of product detail. This product detail is, there is a ID, name, category, mark, price, and this is the supplier name and supplier address. And in the, this is for the reservation detail. This is the views for our database. Okay. Thank you.
Update in invoice and detail invoice. In invoice, we set field the deleted at data with current timestamp, where ID on users is equal with user ID on invoice table. And also we update detail invoice, which have we filled if users remove their account, delete their account, the deleted at on detail invoice is deleted filled with current timestamp, where ID on invoice table equal with invoice ID in detail invoice. The last trigger we create is cancel delete reservation. So we have create if the users delete their account, the reservation, all the reservation is cancelled or deleted. If there are some reservation in the future, it's cancelled. If they are remove their account. In here, we begin update reservation, set deleted at, fill it. So if the admin would have in with privilege with only view, we set they can only the data with the data at null. So if the data at null or filled, the admin can't view that. So it can, the schedule is available. So it can also be called cancel reservation. Next is privilege. In here we create 3 users with privilege. So the first user project 1, can access from any IP address. User 2 also can access from an IP address, but user 3 can only can access from localhost with their unique identifier. For user project 1, we grant the select on this database. So this user only can read. The user project 2, they only can view the specified view, like product in read and create here. The next is we create stored procedure. So in here, we create procedure that user or admin can search from table users where username equal P in this parameter P. So we later can call get users underscore username with P parameter. Thank you. That's all from us. Thank you for attention. See